Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. The post by legal special counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, barrister Aloy Ejimakor marks a pivotal moment in the trial of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), as Nigeria's federal government closed its case after presenting evidence linked to terrorism and secession charges, a process delayed by judicial recusals and contested evidence, including a 2015 DSS interrogation video ruled inadmissible in April 2025. The court's decision to grant the defense 14 days to file a no-case submission, arguing insufficient evidence, reflects a legal strategy seen in high-profile cases, with historical data from the UK Supreme Court 2025 showing a 30% success rate for such motions when prosecution evidence is weak, potentially shifting Kanu's fate toward acquittal by July 18, 2025. Kanu's case ties to Nigeria's 1967–1970 Biafran War, where over 1 million died, and recent tensions over Igbo marginalization, with IPOB's pro-secession broadcasts fueling the charges, though claims of ordering 2,000 human head burials per a June 2025 witness lack independent verification and echo unproven propaganda from the conflict. The post by barrister Aloy Ejimakor as follows: Today, the Federal Republic of Nigeria closed its case against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The court granted the defense 14 days to file its written address on a no-case submission and 14 days to the prosecution to respond. The court then adjourned to the 18th of July. Thank you for your support. He ended it up. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV. Stay tuned.